Ngalesikhathi iCovid-19 ihlasela umhlaba wonke, Lelive nalo alizange lisalela ngaphandle. Njengoba kwavalwa Lelive njengendlela yokutama kulisana leligciwane lokwabe sekuthikameta umnotho lebevele undenga. Amabhizinisi lamanyenti avalwa kwalahleka nemisebenzi njengoba amabhizinisi bewangasakhona ukumelana nalesimo. Umnotho walelive wehla nga-6.4% nga-2020 ngaphambi kwekuthi ukhula nga-4.8%. Isibalo sabantu labangasebenzi sakhuphuka saya ku-34.9% kukota yesithathu yeminyaka lowengcile.
The lockdown has hit the South African economy very hard. We've seen an economic collapse in 2020 as a result of the lockdown. The economy declined by 6.4% in that year. 2021, from that low base, we saw some economic recovery, but the recovery in 2021 was less than the collapse in 2020.
Leminye imikhakha yathikameteya kakhulu kundlula leminye. Umkhakha wetekuvakasha ngiwo wathikameteya kakhulu ngalesikhathi abantu bangavumeleke ukuthi bahambe kulelive. Lo mkhakha ufuna kwendiwe taba kude kuqiniswe tekuvakasha titobuya tibe sesimene.
We need our Department of Home Affairs to fast-track this e-visa for our digital nomad market. At the same time, as I mentioned earlier, we also need to look at making it easier for all countries to visit South Africa.
What
these restrictions did was to lead consumers through to the illicit market. So that was some of the unintended consequences. It would be interesting to see if they were effective from a health perspective.
Umnotho kulelive kulinzeka ukuthi ukhule nga-2.1% lomnyaka. Angeke kubalekelwe ukuthi lingahle liphindze livele ngendlela lehlukile ligciwane nekuhamba kwagezi lokungathikameta kukhula kwemnotho wakulelive.